Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off dial pad sound on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you can see this is the sound option. To click on sound, after you have been click on sound, you have to scroll down like this, and here on the download you are going to find this dial pad tones. Okay, so it can be say dial pad tone or sound. Okay, suppose you want to activate this dial pad sound, so you just click on this icon like this. Here the dial pad sound will be activated on your mobile phone. And if you want to off this dial pad sound, no, just click on this icon again like this. Here the dial pad sound will be deactivated. Okay, so you can on off by this icon the dial pad sound on your mobile phone. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.